Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to use PowerPoint to capture your screen or a PowerPoint presentation, and this is how you can record your screen. So I have PowerPoint 2019 here. Now you want to click on Insert and click on Screen Recording. And as you can see, you get a small menu here. Now you can highlight an area where you want to capture the screen. So it's like this. And click on record to record. And it gives you a countdown. And you can begin. Now, as you can see, I am just recording my screen with PowerPoint screen recorder. You can record a PowerPoint presentation or the computer screen. Now, if I move the mouse up, I can get the menu. I can click on pause or stop. So I want to click on stop. So this is the recorded screen capture. In order to preview it, click on play. And as you can see, this is the recording. Now there are other features you can use. You can click on these for video styles. You can click on the shape, and if I want to click on that, as you can see, I'll use this. Now you can highlight the borders around the video. Click on any color. So there are lots of effects. Soft edges. And if I right click, I have another menu where if I want to trim the video, like if I want to edit and cut pieces of the video, I can do that and click OK. There's a start time, end time. And if I want to save it, I just have to right click on the video and select Save Media As. And it saves it as a MP4 file. And this is the video. So I want to I'll use VLC player. So that's it. And I want to thank you for watching.